Many friends often go out by bike, just like me. There are always situations of bikes being stolen or keys being not found everywhere. At this time, it's YEELOCK Fingerprint Disc Brake Lock's chance to distinguish itself. It possesses a cool appearance, exquisite and easy to carry. For it, both fingerprint and keys are available. YEELOCK offers a fingerprint input of 16 fingers with an automatic locking by pressing. The battery is lithium button cell innovatively with endurance of 1 year, which can be replaced by the users themselves. In design, it is waterproof cover externally, while it is of silicone waterproof rings internally. With waterproof grade of IPX7, it adopts hardened Zine alloy materials which can effectively help avoid the damages caused by external forces. The 6mm lock pin is available to most bikes, e-bikes and motorbikes with disc brakes. This little stapler will guard your vehicles all along.